If part of your job is creating models or loading data, you'll be interested in seeing how saved guided imports will save you time and avoid rework. Guided import is used to create dimensions and cubes. You don't need technical knowledge like Turbo Integrator. The wizard will prompt and guide you at every step. Once you are done, the import can be saved so you can run it again whenever you want. Let's get started with creating a dimension. Click the right mouse key and select Import Members. You can either upload a file or select a file that was previously uploaded. I am using a previously loaded file. Now I start to map the data in the file to the dimension. I start with a preview of the data being imported. I see the members, their parents, the member type, and weight and attributes. I can use an existing dimension or create a new dimension. I am going to create a new dimension. I name it, and will use the generated default hierarchy name, which is the same as the dimension name. I pick the parent-child format as that is the hierarchy data in the import file. My next task is to map the source data columns. The source columns are on the left. I pick the type that identifies how the data will be defined in the dimension. The qualifier defines relationships between data. Now attributes are defined. The list contains source data that was not previously mapped. I can add a calculated member based on a formula I write. When you write a formula during a guided import, you are using the Planning Analytics formula expression language. Since I did not create a formula, I will delete the attribute. With mapping complete, I have a couple of options for running the import. I am going to select the Save as Guided Import option and click Import. Here is the value you get from saving as a guided import. You can go back and change mappings. This lets you make changes if your import file changes. You don't have to start over from scratch. After the import completes, the dimension editor opens. On the left-hand side, you see the data that has been imported as a hierarchy. I can see the weights that have been imported. Also, I can see the account name alias values that were imported. By clicking the Attributes tab, I can see the two attributes I mapped. Since I saved my import specification as a guided import, the import appears in the Guided Imports folder in the navigator on the left. From here, I can run the import, create a Turbo Integrator process, make a copy, or delete it. I can use the Database Explorer to see the objects in my database. This is another way for me to see all the saved guided imports and take actions. You have now seen how easy it is to map a file with a guided import, being prompted at every step. You can create adaptable specifications that change as your data changes. Now there's no need to start over from scratch. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video to learn how guided import delivers value to you. If you want to see more tutorials, reviews, and helpful content, make sure you subscribe.